Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make ice cream. If you like what you see on the screen and you want to make yours, then stay tuned. Yes, this is the face you keep when you're taking a delicious ice cream cone made by your mom at home. So keep watching. So first thing, you're going to get a bowl or a pot, and then you're going to add ice. So these are ice block. If you have ice cube or any form of ice, you can just use that. Okay, so we're going to do that so that when we start whipping the whipping cream, it will activate faster, and you wouldn't waste time. So here, this is the whipping cream I used. And then you get a pot. This is where you're going to be making your ice cream. So here I have 1 cup of whipping cream added into the pot, into the bowl, and that bowl will be added or placed on top the ice. So now to whip that whipping cream, you're going to use cold water. You can see the pure water I'm using, it's cold, not room temperature but cold. So this is what we're going to add to the whipping cream. You're going to use 2 cups of water, or one, depending on your preference on how much you want the ice cream to be or how thick you want your ice cream to be. So yeah, so we're going to whip now with a whisk. If you have the electric mixer, you can use that, or the cake mixer, you can use it, but I'm using a hand mixer. And you're going to do this for 2 to 5 minutes to get the consistency you can see on screen. Now I'm going to show you. So once you get this consistency, you're almost close to having that ice cream feel, right? So you're just going to whip more, and then you proceed to add in other ingredients. So once I'm done whipping, I'm going to add the Hollandia full cream evaporated milk. I'm going to add 1 cup of that evaporated milk, because I know 2 packs of the milk you saw just now is equal to 1 cup. So I've added 2 evaporated milk, and I'm just going to whisk so that it can incorporate fully into the whipping cream. So once that is done, mind you, this recipe we're not going to use sugar, because the full cream milk and the condensed milk, which we're going to add very soon, they have some sweetening or sugar in them. So we're not using sugar for this recipe, and the ice cream is going to come out sweet, very sweet. Yeah, just trying to balance the bowl on top the ice. So now this is the brand of condensed milk I use, Sebon. Let's just focus the camera. Yeah, sweetened condensed filled milk. Like I said, we're not using sugar. So we're going to add 1 cup of this condensed milk into the whipping cream and full cream mix. So once we add that into the whipping cream and full cream mix, we're going to whisk again just to incorporate all the ingredients together. And then we're going to add vanilla essence just for flavor. The thing is, you don't really need this vanilla essence because the whipping cream itself has a very lovely flavor, but still I just want to add the vanilla essence into this ice cream that is so yummy. At this point, the whole of your kitchen or your working area would be scenting like ice cream, like the ice cream you buy from the ice cream shops. If you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, watch some of my other videos that you may be interested to watch, and give me thumbs up, comments, share this video with your family and friends. So for some of you that would want to ask if this is better than getting ice cream from the shop. Yeah, look at this consistency. So beautiful, creamy, looking yummy. Like this, you can even have the ice cream, but of course, we need to freeze this. So we're going to put this in the freezer and allow it to freeze for 6 to 8 hours. So let me continue what I was saying. So yeah, if you look at, okay, it's frozen now. Don't worry, I'll come back to what I was about to say. It's frozen now. You can see we have already scooped from inside because of course it's ice cream. We cannot have ice cream in the freezer and not take 1 or 2 scoops. Anyway, we're going to use cones for this, just cones. You can get that from any mall. And yeah, like I was saying, it is cost effective. Like the ice cream I made can serve about 6 kids, and if I were to get this from the store, I would spend close to 15,000, 10 to 15,000, and the ingredients I use in making this is not up to 6,000 naira. Let's just say roughly 5,000 ish to 6,000 anyway, so it's cost effective. Yeah, so I don't have the ice cream scoop. I'm just using a deep spoon to scoop, to have that ball sort of effect on top the cone. Look at my daughter jumping in the background. Ice cream, who wants ice cream? Okay, yeah, so I'm going to give her this ice cream now, and we would hear what she has to say about the ice cream. Look at this, the ice steam coming from this ice cream. Oh, please, this is so yummy, looking so yummy and delicious. Yeah, if you ever made ice cream and encountered some issues, I hope this video has been helpful to you. So let's hear what my daughter has to say.
Oh, I have your ice cream.
Delicious.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want more?
Yes.
You want us to always make ice cream in the house?
Yes.
How does it taste like?
It tastes vanilla-ish and it's so yummy.
Oh, don't worry. Next, we'll make chocolate and strawberry and also vanilla. You like that?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.